you want, do what you want, do it. Do what you want, do what you want, do it.
Hello, Wembley!
It's a day out, but it's also it's useful to help you kind of reset, just think about other people, other inspirations. So there's lots of different lessons that you can take from a conference like today.
Do what you want, do what you want, do it.
It's really, really good to see Propertymark, all the colleagues, everybody from the industry.
Absolutely brilliant, seeing lots of friendly faces.
Been lots of great atmosphere, lots of good conversations.
It's really surprised me the breadth of agents that have been here today.
Quality estate agents, quality organisation.
Everybody's out to work together, all about collaboration.
To be able to actually get out and talk to people in person has just been so valuable.